We will be making today Arabic pita bread. Thin, yet airy, bubbly, soft, yet crispy. And the best way to enjoy the Arabic pita bread, when it's hot and steaming, we put a teeny bit of za'atar on top of the bread, like that. And we grab it like this. And we enjoy this wonderful whole wheat bread. 10 grams of dry yeast, 70 grams of whole wheat flour, brown flour, 70 milliliter of lukewarm water, and we mix well, and about 30 grams of wheat flour. So in total we have about 100 grams. Desired amount of salt. After kneading for 5 minutes, we have this size of a dough. We flour the bottom of our bowl, we cover and we set aside for about a couple of hours. We go do something else. After 2.5 hours, the dough has doubled in size. Then we take and we shape into round balls. We flour a clean surface and we work out our dough. After 1 minute, we see that our bread started bubbling. You see that? Then we turn to the other side and we cover. After keeping for another minute on the other side, we see how the bread puffed up. You see how beautiful that is? We take and we put in our plate. You can see every single one of them is puffing and bubbling so wonderfully. Quite wonderful indeed. Quite wonderful indeed. Look at that. And our bread is ready. Our Arabic bread is ready. Look at these bubbles. Look how soft, look how wonderful it is. And the best way to enjoy this wonderful whole wheat brown bread, pita, puffed, soft and hot, with a bit of za'atar like that, and we dive in.